Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. Today we are going to show you one more true wireless earphone from Noise, and they are the Buds Solo. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you how they perform. So here is the box. In the front of the box we have the Buds Solo branding along with the picture of the earbuds, and they are the ANC Bluetooth earphones. At this side of the box we can see they are designed in India. Here at the back we have some key features, and this is the charcoal black variant. Apart from that, they are also available in few different colors. About the key features, you get the hybrid ANC, in-ear detection, triple mic system, 36 hours of battery backup. They come with the transparency mode. You get the hyper sync. About that, I will tell you later in this video. The MRP on the box is Rs 9,999, but they will be available for just Rs 4,999 from tomorrow. And this is an introductory price. After that, the price will be increased to 5,999. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So the first thing you get on the top is the charging case, which has the earbuds inside. And guys, here I must tell you that I really like the packaging quality of the Noise products. Now looking at the charging case, the charcoal black variant in the matte finish does look premium. And here we have the earbuds inside. We will look at them in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. Then in the box we have some documentation, which includes a welcome card and the warranty information. And here we have the info on how to reset and pair these earphones. And then finally we have the user guide. Apart from that, we get the extra ear tips of small and the large size. And here is a Type-C charging cable. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the earphones closely. Starting with the charging case, we get the 600 mAh battery capacity, which can charge these earphones 3 to 4 times more, giving you a total battery backup of 36 hours. In terms of the design and the build quality feels pretty good, and the design looks sort of like Apple AirPods Pro, but slightly bigger in size. The door quality is also very good, and I can tell you that this is a quality product from Noise. In terms of the overview, here at the bottom we have the push button, which allows you to check the battery status and can also be used to reset the earphones. And then we have the Type-C port for charging and the battery status LED lights. So in terms of the design of the case, I like it, especially this metallic finish line which goes all around the case. The matte black color looks good, but in my opinion, I would prefer the gold variant of these earphones. Now looking at the earbuds, we have the in-ear style earbuds, which also resembles a lot with the Apple AirPods Pro. Even the size matches the same as the Apple AirPods Pro. And guys, I also felt that the quality of the earbuds is also very good, and these earbuds definitely feel premium. In terms of the overview of the earbuds, we have triple mic in these earbuds, 2 for noise cancellation, which will be for external and internal noise. And at the bottom, we have the mic for calling. The earbuds also support in-ear detection, and here we have the sensor which will pause the song or video when you take them out of your ear. And just above the Noise logo, we have the touch sensitive panel which allows you to perform different tasks, which I will show you in a moment. So overall the design of the earbud is very good, and they are also lightweight and very comfortable. Now let's talk about the performance of these earphones. Starting with the connectivity, these earphones offers HyperSync technology, which lets you pair the earphones to your device as soon as you open the case, and this works perfectly in these earphones. Now about the sound quality and the ANC performance, I've been using these earphones for a couple of days now, and about the sound quality, I find it pretty impressive. You get good clarity from these earbuds, and the bass is also very good. The instrument separation is also good, and because of the in-ear style, I find even the passive noise cancellation very good. Now about the different modes, there are 3 modes: ANC, transparency and the basic mode, which you can toggle by long pressing on the touch sensitive panel on the right earbud. The ANC mode in these earbuds cancels the background noise by 35 decibel. And guys, to be honest, you will feel the noise cancellation is there, but it's not that much, and I find the ANC performance average. And if you're planning to buy these earphones only for the ANC feature, then I wouldn't recommend them to you. One more thing I noticed is that when the ANC mode is on, for some reason you get the enhanced bass, which personally is not up to my taste, and it also muffled up the vocals a bit. The next mode is the transparency mode, which allows you to be aware of your surrounding, and that works pretty good. And in the basic mode, it is just the passive noise cancellation. And guys, in my opinion, these earphones sound much better in the basic mode as compared to the ANC mode. Now in terms of the touch controls, we have the single tap to increase the volume, double tap to pause and play music, triple tap on the right earbud will take you to the next song, and triple tap on the left earbud will take you back to the previous song. Long press on the left earbud will enable Google Assistant or Siri, and the long press on the right earbud will allow you to switch between different modes. Now talking about the audio performance more, I have used these earphones for watching videos on YouTube and Netflix, and there was no sound lag. And because of the design and size, these earphones are very comfortable to use for long hours. I have also tested the mic for calls, and the performance of the mic for video and voice calls is really good, and the mic clarity is definitely the best in this price segment. So overall, the NoiseBuds Solo offers a similar Apple AirPods Pro design, and in approximately 1/4 of the price, we're getting similar features as well as a good build quality product. The in-ear design earbuds offers decent sound quality in both basic and active noise cancellation mode. The ANC mode, however, does not cancel the background noise that much as advertised, but the overall performance of these earphones is good, keeping in mind the price. The features which I like most are the in-ear detection, mic performance for calling, and the battery backup is really good. So to sum it up, if you're in the market for a good pair of in-ear style earphones, then definitely check them out. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the NoiseBuds Solo ANC earphones. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any questions about these earphones, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.